out then. It was kind of code. Law number 2 is back in session. Code is in session. And clause number M333-708. The case is styled in the state of Texas versus James A. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Lewis, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Lewis, you may put your hand down. Mr. Lewis, I have before me document that you had previously signed and initialed, and since then you've put your initials on another line. This document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights of Defendants Without Attorney. And Mr. Lewis, now previously you stated that you wanted to waive your right to have an attorney to represent yourself. Now you changed to state that you would like to see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And are these your initials on the line that
Yes.
states that? And is this your signature on the document that says defendant?
Yes, sir.
And also, I have another document, Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of the same document, there's a signature above the line. Now, your name is James A. Lewis, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, on here, it says signature, somebody named Carleon Solomon. Yeah. Need to take my signature off of that. You have some more, why not? Thank you. Second page. You filled out the document?
No, I think this, man, I didn't look at it when I gave it to him. He filled this out.
Oh, that was already filled out?
Yeah, I think that.
Oh. Yeah. Court is back in session, clause number M 333-708. Case of style of state of Texas versus James A. Lewis. Now, Mr. Lewis, I'm gonna show you this document that's titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of the same document, there is a signature above the line that is titled Defend the Signature. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Lewis, prior to signing both of these documents, the judge's explanation of rights of defense to an attorney and Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence, did you read the documents?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Lewis, based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney. And the attorney that will be appointed to represent you in this case is Attorney Don Boudreaux. Attorney Boudreaux will be given information on how to contact you, and you will also be given information on how to contact him. Our court coordinator will give you that information. Once you get that information, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, sir.
All right, please stand on. Here you go. Court is back in session. Court is back in session. In the arraignment docket, the next case is cause number M 333-886, case of style of state of Texas versus Isidro Reyes. Isidro Reyes was scheduled to be in court this morning for the for the arraignment docket, which was scheduled at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Isidro Reyes at the courthouse door. Isidro Reyes did not answer. Isidro Reyes did not appear in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12:23 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Isidro Reyes at the courthouse door? Isidro Reyes. Isidro. Okay, that's Isidro or Isidro Reyes. Name was called at the courthouse door. Isidro Reyes did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Reyes an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
They move small.
That motion will be granted. Isidro Reyes bond will be forfeited and warrant shall be issued for his arrest in cause number M 333-886. Next case is cause number M 333-236, case of style of state of Texas versus Ashira Detrice Spearman. Shira Spearman was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's arraignment docket. At about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Kashira Spearman at the courthouse door. Kashira Spearman did not answer. Kashira Spearman has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12:24 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Kashira Spearman at the courthouse door? Kashira Spearman's name was just called at the courthouse door. Kashira Spearman did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Spearman an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
They move small.
That motion will be granted. Kashira Spearman's bond will be forfeited and warrant should be issued for her arrest in cause number M 333-236. And this will conclude the calling of the court's arraignment docket scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of April 18th of 2023 in County Court at Law number 2. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Everyone please have a blessed day. And Mr. Hawfire, you may be excused.
Thank you.
You are.
Thank
Take
you.
over. I'm putting